Exercise 1.2, sum number 10. Find lambda if the matrix 1, 1, 3, 2, lambda 4, 9, 7, 11 has no inverse. So, no inverse means the given matrix is singular. Singular means when determinant of A equal to 0. So, since A has no inverse means determinant of A equal to 0. So, this is the definition of not an inverse of the matrix. So, determinant of A equal to 1, 1, 3 and 1, 1, 3, 2, lambda 4, 9, 7, 11, determinant equal to 0. Applying this definition, determinant equal to 0. The determinant value can be taken as 1 is fixed. So, 11 into lambda minus 28 minus 1 into 22 minus 36 plus 3 into 14 minus 9 lambda equal to 0. Continuation. 11 lambda minus 28 minus into minus 14 plus 42 minus 27 lambda equal to 0, which implies 11 lambda minus 27 plus 11 lambda is minus 16 lambda, minus to minus plus 14 plus 42 minus 28 plus 27 lambda equal to 0, minus 16 lambda. So, adding all the terms, result is 28 equal to 0. So, minus 16 lambda, which is equal to, this can be taken in right hand side, minus 28, minus minus cancel, lambda equal to 28 by 16. So, cross out these two values, so lambda equal to 7 by 4, hence the problem. Again, let us move to problem number 11. If x equal to 8 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 1 2 10 minus 1 4 and y equal to 2 1 minus 1 0 2 1 5 pq. Our aim is to compute p and q value if the given assumption is y equal to x inverse. So, the given result is y equal to x inverse. So, multiplying x on both sides. Multiplying x on both sides means xy equal to xx inverse. So, the definition of xx inverse equal to identity matrix. Multiplying x and the inverse of x is identity matrix. So, xx inverse equal to identity. So, xy equal to I. So, first we have to take x value. Next we have to take y value equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. First we have to multiply these two results. First row is multiplying by first column, 8 into 2 16. Again minus plus minus 1 into 0 plus minus 3 into 5. Again 8 into 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 3 into p. Again third row 8 into first row third column, 8 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus minus 3 into q. Again second row first column is minus 5 into 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 5. Again minus 5 into 1 and 1 into 2 and 2 into p. Minus 5 into minus 1, 1 into 1 and 2 into q. Okay. Third row first column, 10 into 2 is 20. Okay. So 10 into 2 is 20. Again minus 1 into 0 and minus 4 into 5. Again 10 into 1 minus 1 into 2 and minus 4 into p. Okay. Last one is minus 10 into minus 1, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1 and minus 4 into q is equal to right hand side. Yes, 1 0 unit matrix. Right hand side is a unit matrix. The next step 1. Reduce the matrix 8 minus 2 minus 3p minus 8 minus 1 minus 3q 0 5 minus 5 plus 2 plus 2p 5 plus 1 plus 2q 0 10 minus 2 minus 4p minus 10 minus 1 minus 4q. Right hand side is an identity matrix. So 1. Reduce the value 6 minus 3p minus 9 minus 3q 0, minus 3 plus 2p and 6 plus 2q 0, 8 minus 4p minus 11 minus 4q. So equating these two values, this place 1, this place both values are same, 1 and 1 are same. So we have leave it the value. Next we have to comparing these two entries. So 6 minus 3b equal to 0. So minus 3b equal to minus 6. Minus minus cancel. So p equal to 6 by 3. So the p value is 2. Next we have to compare these two. Minus 9 minus 3q equal to 0. Minus 9 minus 3q equal to 0. So minus 9 minus 3q equal to 0. So minus 9 minus 3q can be taken in right hand side is plus 3q. So q equal to minus 9 by 3. 3 cancel. So q equal to minus 3. So we have obtained two values. One is p, another one is q. So p value is 2 and q value is minus 3. Hence the problem.